Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel, Ojuk's Online Maths Class. In this video, I would like to reach out to my fans. I would love to be wishing my fans Happy New Year in a glance style using mathematics. Okay, if you look at the board, you can see a question pertaining to integration. It is a definite integral and we are asked to integrate this. Okay, let's do the solving and see what pops up. Now let's observe this. We have the integration with their various upper limits and their lower limits. As you all know, in integration, we don't integrate constants, we only integrate variables. So if you are to integrate this, very simple, let's just kind of isolate each of these constants out of this integration. When we do that, we have something like integral, then upper limit 14, lower limit 9, then 3 outside, we have x squared dx plus integral, then we have our 2 outside, we don't integrate constant, like I said earlier. Then we assign our upper and lower limit, 3 and 2, then x dx, then plus integral, then the constant there is 1, we bring it out, then assign our upper limit and lower limit, then minus 1, our dx. Now let's do the integration. So this becomes, when we decide to integrate, remember that the general formula for integration is that y is equals to x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Just add 1 to the power, then divided by the power. We all know this. When we apply this same concept here, we'll have it that 3 in bracket. When we do that here, we're having x raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Then assign your upper limit 14 and 9. The same thing goes here. Plus our 2 in bracket x raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Then assign your upper limit and lower limit 3 and 2. Then plus 1 in bracket. When I integrate dx, automatically dx, integration is the opposite of, or is the inverse of differentiation, which means that this will cancel out this. So I'm having x raised to power 1. I will have our upper limit 1 and the lower limit minus 1. So when we solve further, we are having 2 plus 1, we are having 3. So we have this 3 outside is multiplying the whole of these numbers in this bracket. We are having 3 x raised to power 3 over 3. Then assign your limit 14 and 9 plus, then 2 multiplying everything here. We're having 2x 1 plus 1, we're having 2 over 1 plus 1, we're having 2. Then plus 1 in bracket, or let's remove the bracket already. 1 times x, we're having x. Then here we'll say assign our upper limit and lower limit, which is 3 and 2. Then finally here we'll have x. Assign your upper limit 1 and minus 1. 3 can cancel out 3. 2 can cancel out 2. So in return, we are having x raised to power 3, assigning your upper limit 14 and your lower limit 9, plus x raised to power 2, assigning the upper limit and lower limit, we'll have 3 and 2, plus x raised to power 1, x1, that is upper limit, and lower limit minus 1. So we will now begin to inject. Now if we inject this now, we are having we are going to be substituting this upper and lower limit for each of these variables, and then we'll do our subtraction as usual. So when we do that, we have 14, we replace this x, or we substitute x for 14, we'll have 14 raised to power 3 minus, we substitute this same x for 9, minus 9 raised to power 3. Then plus, for this, the same thing goes there. 3, which is the upper limit, substitute for x, we'll have 3 raised to power 2 minus 2, which is the lower limit, substitute for x, we're having 2 raised to power 3. Then plus, the same thing goes for this x. The upper limit stands for place of x, which is 1, minus, then the lower limit stands for the place of x, which is minus 1. So we'll have in bracket minus 1, something like this. So we'll solve further. 14 raised to the power 3, we have 2,744 minus 9 raised to the power 3, we are having 729. Then plus 3 raised to the power 2, we are having 9 minus 2 raised to the power, okay, we have 2 raised to the power 2, sorry, here should be 2 raised to the power 2 because x is raised to the power 2. So 2 raised to the power 2, we are having 4. Then plus 1 minus 1 is 1 plus 1. So if we solve a return, 2,744 minus 729 will give us 2015. That is 2015 plus 9 minus 4, we are having 5, plus 1 plus 2, we are having 2. So return 2015 plus 5 plus 2. 2015 plus 5, you're having 2020. Then 2020 plus 2, we're having 2022. So I guess you enjoyed this video. Happy 2022 to my fans. To all my fans that have been watching my YouTube videos, my Facebook videos, my fans that have been following me online in each of the social media platforms, I love you all. I wish that this 2022 will be a better year for each and every one of us. Keep watching my video, keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, keep sharing my video, and at the end of it all, I guess this 2022 will be a more better year. Have a nice day, everyone. I love you all. Happy New Year.